Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk through the process of adding a printer's MAC address to your Arris SURFboard G36 router. This is helpful if you want to grant a printer access to your network or troubleshoot connection issues. Let's get started. First, you need to find your printer's MAC address. The MAC address, also known as the physical address, is a unique identifier for your printer. It's usually printed on a sticker on the printer itself. Look for labels on the back, bottom, or inside the printer's paper tray. It's often labeled as MAC address, physical address, or Ethernet ID. It's typically a 12-character hexadecimal number. If you can't find it on the printer, you might be able to find it in the printer's network configuration settings, accessible through its control panel. Next, you'll need to access your Arris SURFboard G36 router's settings. Open a web browser on a computer connected to your network. Type your router's IP address into the address bar. The default IP address is often 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. If neither of these works, check your router's documentation or search online for the default IP address for Arris SURFboard G36. You'll be prompted to enter your router's username and password. The default username is often admin, and the default password might be password, admin, or be left blank. Check your router's documentation if these don't work. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section for access control or MAC filtering. The exact location might vary depending on your router's firmware version. Look for options like wireless MAC filter, access control, or something similar. Now, you need to add your printer's MAC address to the allowed list. Click on Add Device, Add MAC Address, or a similar button. Enter your printer's MAC address into the designated field. Be sure to enter it correctly, including the colons or hyphens if required. Also, enter a description for the device. This will help you identify it later. A useful description is, for example, printer HP LaserJet. After that, make sure the device is enabled or allowed. Save your changes by clicking Apply, Save, or a similar button. Your router might reboot after saving the changes. Allow it to complete the reboot process. After the reboot, your printer should now be able to connect to your network. Try printing a test page to confirm. If you still have trouble, double-check that you entered the MAC address correctly and that the printer is properly connected to the network. So, there you have it. You've successfully added your printer's MAC address to your Arris SURFboard G36 router. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more helpful tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, let us know in the comments what other router-related topics you'd like us to cover. We appreciate your feedback.